I hope the sound is okay. I'm filming in my car, and well, I usually try to not do it because I already noticed the sound isn't that great. But once again, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. And today, well, I'm actually on my way to the store right now. Well, the Christmas and New Year's period is coming, so we gotta prepare for that. We gotta get something funny to do with the car. I have a few ideas, but I need to pick up some stuff, so I'm going to the first store now. I'm probably not going to film in there. If I do, it will be with my phone, so if I throw some footage in of inside the store, the phone footage, not that great, but I don't feel confident enough to walk in with my, well, it's not a too big camera, but it's a DSLR, and I don't really feel like, well, just walking in the store with that big guy. So, well, either way, I'll see you guys back in the store, or I'll see you when I get back to the car.
A few moments later.
That was the first store. They didn't really have what I was looking for. As I may or may have not already told you, I'm looking for some things I can use as Christmas decoration for my car. Well, since Thanksgiving is done, and well, where I live we don't really celebrate Thanksgiving, but we got something called St. Nicholas, which is on the 6th of December. When that's gone, it's time to start the Christmas project, and I really wanted to start today with collecting the items I need for the project to do what I have in mind. I'm kind of looking for some multicolored lights which work on 12 volts for inside the car. So I hope you guys find it a really cool project, so be sure to subscribe down below and tune in the project when it happens. It will be coming in the next few weeks. Today is the beginning of December, and well, at the end of this week, actually it is the 6th, and St. Nicholas is past, so probably it will be a video coming to you guys next week. But this store didn't have what I was looking for, so I'm on to the next one. Just came out of the second store. Bit more expensive store, but well, either way, they didn't have what I was looking for. It seems like all of these LED Christmas lights are 31 volts plus AC current, and I can only use 12 volt DC current, so I don't really feel like using a power inverter for it. But if it's the case and I really want to do the lights, I need to get myself one. But for now, gonna be looking a little bit further. Now traffic is starting to come, but gonna go to the last store now and probably, well, maybe try something else when I can't find anything there. Last store I was planning on doing today, well, before I went on to the online stores anyway, last store had exactly what I was looking for. It isn't really that cheap, but well, because it was exactly what I was looking for, I decided to just get it. Price is still okay, but I will show you when I get back to the garage, so let me get you guys right there as quick as possible. Well guys, I found them. This is what I got. Well, I'm gonna be unpacking these and let's give them a quick test and let's see how they look in the dark. Those are multicolored bulbs. Well, let me cut the lights out so it's easier to see. We got red, yellow, this is blue, and greens. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's about 5 of each color. Lights back on. So this will be a part of the decoration that will be going on my Golf, the car I drive daily. These, well, for now I plug them just into the socket, but these work on 12 volts, so I'm gonna cut them up, wire them so I can have a switch inside of the car to turn them on and off. Maybe try to find a little timer so when it's dark they stay lit for maybe an hour while the car is off. But yeah, that's one part of the decorations I'm gonna be using. I already bought something to decorate the hood with, and I also have a funny thing to put on the roof. Well, it's not really funny, people have already done it, I've used it in the past, but I'm gonna do it again this year. I still need to pick up a few things that I need to find. Next week it's time to decorate the car for Christmas, so if you don't want to miss that, as I said before, be sure to subscribe and tune in for that video. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, drop a comment down below on what you think about decorating your car for Christmas. But that will wrap it up for today. I will see you in the next one. I'm out.